Insiders, Kurt and Chris, ready to take another lap on Loch Ness Monster, reimagined. So much better. That's all I can say is it's just so much better. If you didn't ride it before because you thought it was rough, give it another shot. Here we go. We're not going to say anything at the lift hills because you won't hear us anyway. But we got a whole new soundtrack to the ride, theming elements, and the tunnel comes to life. It's wonderful.
Oh, Tony, new team, welcome. We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like messy powder. We're trying to find out what's left of the blues. Says they were heading for a cave near the end of the loch. But you can't get anywhere. So I need you to keep your eyes and ears open as the beast out there. And it seems she's mighty hungry. Oh, wait. Message here. It says here, she's I'm a god flesh here, and my huge teeth said, my God, stay safe, for goodness sake.
Here we come to the first drop.
When this ride opened, this was the tallest coaster in the world. Not even close anymore. Still a great first drop.
So much smoother. First loop. Into the tunnel we go. Second loop.
Gotta say the added audio track,
top notch.
Yeah, great addition. Last loop.
Oh, she made it! Well,
that's Loch Ness Monster. The legend lives on.
Hope y'all. It's a great one.